Upbeat music plays as the camera zooms in on the eufy RoboVac 11S on the left and the Lefant M210 Pro on the right. Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel, where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into a battle of the bots. In the left corner, we have the eufy RoboVac 11S, known for its quiet operation and effectiveness on various surfaces. And in the right corner, we have the Lefant M210 Pro, a compact powerhouse praised for its cleaning performance and pet hair capabilities. Let's see which one of these cleaning machines is worth your dollars. First up, we have the price tag. The eufy RoboVac 11S is priced at $229, which some reviewers found to be reasonable given its performance, especially on white carpets. However, they noted its struggles on black surfaces and cords. Meanwhile, the Lefant M210 Pro comes in at a sweeter deal of $209. Users have praised its excellent value for money, particularly for its cleaning efficiency and battery life. So if you're on a budget, Lefant takes the crown here. Now, let's talk about what you get with each vacuum. The eufy comes with a remote control, charging base, and a cleaning tool. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and quiet operation, making it a solid choice for households with pets. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro is lauded for its high-tech features, including smartphone connectivity and 4 cleaning modes. Reviewers love how easy it is to set up and use, especially for programming cleaning times. So Lefant wins this round for being the multitasking wizard. Next up, cleaning modes. The eufy is like that friend who only knows how to party one way. It rolls around randomly, hoping to hit all the dirt. Reviewers mentioned it does a decent job but can sometimes miss spots. In contrast, Lefant is the overachiever with its automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge modes. Users love the variety and efficiency of the Lefant, which makes it the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. Now, let's talk about pet hair. If your pet sheds like there's no tomorrow, you need a vacuum that can handle it. Eufy claims to tackle pet hair, but some users found its performance lacking on dark surfaces. Lefant, on the other hand, is designed with a unique suction mouth that reviewers say effectively picks up pet hair and dirt, making it an excellent choice for pet owners. So if pet hair is your battle, Lefant is the clear winner. Alright, let's discuss size. The eufy is a solid vacuum, but Lefant is like that friend who can fit into any club due to its compact size of 11 inches in diameter and just 2.99 inches high. Reviewers appreciate how easily it fits under furniture and its ability to clean hard floors effectively. So if you have furniture lower than your expectations in life, Lefant is your best friend. Overall, both vacuums have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers appreciate the eufy RoboVac 11S for its quiet operation and effectiveness, especially on light-colored carpets. However, it struggles with dark surfaces and can miss spots. The Lefant M210 Pro, on the other hand, receives high praise for its cleaning performance, especially with pet hair, long battery life, and user-friendly features. So who wins the battle of the bots? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, compact powerhouse that can tackle pet hair and has more modes than a dating app, Lefant is your go-to. But if you want a vacuum that's just, well, there and doesn't break the bank too much, eufy might just do the trick. Remember folks, whether you go with eufy or Lefant, the real winner is you, because you're making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.